Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to restart your Samsung Galaxy A15 and what to do if your phone freezes. So there are two options for a normal restart. So first of all, we can press and hold the side key power button. Now here in the open menu, you can just simply press restart and your phone gonna be restarted. There is a second way to do this. Swipe down the screen. And here you can see your virtual power button. Simply click and now you have the same menu opened up. Press restart and your phone gonna be restarted. So the second way to do this is our forced restart if your phone freezes, for example. So in order to do that, simply hold and press side key and volume down buttons at the same time and keep holding them until your screen turns off. Let's just do this. So you're holding them, and somewhere around now you see your screen has turned off. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. Have a great day.